Sir, can I request all of you to settle down quickly, please? Those who are standing behind. To go ahead. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. It's a houseful event. Can I get some energy back? Good morning. I can see a big bright smile on everyone's face. Are you all excited? Yes. Can I hear once again from all of you? Good morning. Fantastic. I'm looking for the same energy throughout the event. Yes, sir? But I don't know Gujarati, sir. But ladies and gentlemen, a very, very warm welcome to all of you. My name is Mayuri Malankar. I'm the host of this event. On behalf of Lohia Corp and BSE Limited, I extend a warm and a hearty welcome to each one of you present here. Today, we all have gathered here to celebrate a significant milestone in the journey of the company. It's more than just a gong ringing. It's a culmination of a remarkable entrepreneurial spirit and the journey of Lohia Corp. Let's begin this beautiful morning with a big round of applause, everybody. Well, thank you so much, first of all, for taking our time from your busy schedule and being a part of this event. Lohia Corp has grown from pioneering Indian enterprise into one of the world's leading manufacturer of machinery and solutions for woven, polypropylene, and related industries. With the decades of engineering excellence, cutting-edge technology, and a strong global footprint and customer across numerous countries, the company has consistently set new benchmarks in the manufacturing innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, we will know about the company more in this event, but for now, I would request all of you to kindly rise for the national anthem. Let's unite in the spirit of pride and patriotism.
Jana mana adhinayak jaya he, Bharat bhagya vidhata, Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha, Dravida Uttara Vanga, Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga, Ujjala Jaladhi Taranga, Tava Shubha Name Jage, Tava Shubha आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you. Jai Hind. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are proceeding in this event with the ceremonial lamp lighting. हमारे भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार अब हम दीप प्रज्वलन कर इस कार्यक्रम में आगे बढ़ेंगे. In India, every new beginning is illuminated with the light of knowledge, prosperity and hope. दीप जो है वो सुख शांति समृद्धि का प्रतीक माना जाता है और हर शुभ काम की शुरुआत हम दीप प्रज्वलन से करते हैं. I will request all our dignitaries to kindly come forward for the ceremonial lamp lighting. Please welcome our host for the day from BSE. We have Mr. Rudresh Kunde. A big round of applause for this Chief of Policy Research and Strategy. Warm welcome to you, sir. May I request Mr. Rajkumar Lohia, Chairman and Managing Director, to please join him. A big round of applause for Mahindra ji. Round of applause for Mr. Alok Lohia. Big round of applause for our book running lead managers, Mr. Gaurav Saravgi. A big round of applause for Kavita Tanwani. I will request all the senior family members of Lohia family to please come forward. Let's capture this beautiful moment. All of you, can we all pose for a group photo? Thank you, everyone. Thank you for gracing the occasion. I just love all of you because I don't have to tell you to smile, clap. You guys are already happy and doing it on your own. So thank you so much. And we all know दिए की जोत ऊपर की ओर उठती है, दिए का ये स्वभाव है. हमारे द्वारा शुरू किया हुआ काम हमेशा इसी तरह ऊपर की ओर बढ़ता रहे, अग्रसर हो. इस प्रार्थना के साथ, इस भावना के साथ हर शुभ काम की शुरुआत हम दीप प्रज्वलन से करते हैं. आज का ये दिन हमारे लिए बेहद महत्वपूर्ण है और इसीलिए आज के दिन की शुरुआत भी हमने दीप प्रज्वलन से की है. Ladies and gentlemen, before we proceed further, let's take a moment to acknowledge the incredible journey of Lohia Corp Limited. Established with a vision to build world-class engineering solution from India, Lohia Corp has emerged as one of the global leaders in manufacturing machinery for woven polypropylene fabric and packaging solutions. The company offers a comprehensive range of advanced machinery and complete end-to-end solutions for the woven plastic industry. Over the years, Lohia Corp has expanded its footprints across more than 90 countries, earning the trust of customers worldwide through continuous innovation, quality engineering, and customer-centric solution. Its commitment to research, technological advancement, and sustainable manufacturing has enabled the company to remain at the forefront of the global machinery industry for technical textile. Today's listing is merely just a financial milestone. It is a testament to decades of vision, resilience, innovation, and the unwavering trust of the customers, employees, partners, and investors. Once again, congratulations to the entire Lohia family and Lohia Corp family. Moving ahead, now we would like to present a lovely bouquet of flowers to all the dignitaries who have graced this occasion today. We would like to begin with our chairman and managing director. So with thunderous round of applause and with lots of energy, we're going to invite him on stage. Please put your hands together for Mr. Rajkumar Lohia. Come on, everybody. So please join us on this stage. We would like to formally welcome you. So from the left-hand side of the stage. Yeah. Very, very warm welcome to you, sir. बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका. Thank you. Please put your hands together, everybody, as I welcome our whole-time director, Mr. Gaurav Lohia. Big round of applause for him. Very, very warm welcome to you, sir. Please join me as I welcome Mr. Anupam Agarwal, our CFO. A big round of applause for him. Warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, moving ahead, I would like to invite on the stage Ms. Shikha Srivastav, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer. Very, very warm welcome to you, ma'am. बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका. It's time to welcome our host for the day. Please put our hands together for Mr. Rudresh Kunde, Chief of Policy Research and Strategy, BSE. A big round of applause for him, everybody. Thank you for joining us, sir. It's time to welcome our book running lead managers. Please put your hands together for Mr. Gaurav Saravgi, Managing Director, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited. Thank you and warm welcome to you, sir. Next, I would like to invite on the stage Ms. Kavita Tanwani, Head of ECM Execution, Equirus Capital Limited. Warm welcome to you, ma'am. Thank you. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to all of you. Thank you for joining us in this celebration. And to officially commence today's celebration, it's my privilege to invite someone who has played an instrumental role in this successful capital market journey. Please put your hands together as I welcome Mr. Gaurav Saravgi, Managing Director of Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited, to address the gathering. A big round of applause for him.
A very good morning to everyone. On behalf of the management of Lohia Corp and the book running lead managers, I would like to welcome you all to the listing ceremony of Lohia Corp today. Today marks an important milestone in the company's journey and is a celebration of over 4 decades of entrepreneurship, engineering, and sustained innovation. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the promoters, Rajkumarji Lohia, Gauravji Lohia, and the management team, the employees, the business partners, and the investors who have placed their trust in the company. What distinguishes Lohia Corp is not just a leadership position, but the depth of expertise, the brand recall it has built over for more than 4 decades now. Through continuous innovation, engineering excellence, and the strong customer relationships, the company has established benchmarks that have shaped the evolution of the raffia industry in India while building a globally reputed franchise. Over the years, Lohia Corp has built a world-class backward integrated manufacturing facility in Kanpur, having a dedicated R&D setup, one of its kind in the global woven raffia industry. At the same time, Lohia Corp remains equally committed to developing talent through the training center and the skill development initiatives through its Manufacturing Technology Training Center, MTTC, and providing industry development programs for its customers through TTRC that it has set up in Kanpur. The IPO of Lohia Corp is a unique one, to me personally and to Motilal Oswal, as we firmly believe this is a company which has been built on a lot of innovation and the grit that the promoters have built over a period of time in building a world-class name in the market today. Every time I met Rajkumarji over the last few years, it has been a learning curve for me, a lot of new things that we have come to learn from him. Gauravji has been throughout the process very helpful and supportive, and I'm sure Gauravji would have skipped many lunches during the road shows. Anupamji, I don't remember any single day in the last few months where we would not have interacted. And trust me, Anupamji and his team, Kamalji, Shikha, everyone has been consistently on the task, and they have provided every bit of information that we have sought for. So thank you so much for that. Lastly, Guptaji, KG Guptaji has again been a very supportive person behind the whole thing, and his journey with the company for the last 35 years has been very helpful in taking this IPO successful. The kind of dedication, grit, and the openness that the promoters and the professional management team has shown in the entire process is truly remarkable and outstanding. Like many other successfully listed businesses today, which had done their IPOs in the past and had challenging times, Lohia Corp's IPO too had ups and downs in the journey. With extreme market volatilities, including the West Asia war crisis, and the crude prices going up and down over the last few quarters. And obviously the niche business model where the investors took some time to understand the story better. But I think at the end of the day, the response was quite overwhelming from some of the marquee institutional investors and some of the larger mutual funds who have put in collectively over 1,400 crores in the company by way of pre-IPO and an IPO. And out of this, I must say 1,120 crores have actually been placed through institutional investors, which is one of by far the largest in terms of the proportion for the size of the market cap of company that Lohia is. I would like to thank Rajkumar ji, Gaurav ji, Anupam ji, Gupta ji, the Transaction Square team led by Girish ji, and the entire Lohia family for placing their trust in Motilal Oswal and giving us the opportunity to partner with them on this prestigious IPO. We sincerely appreciate the confidence they placed in Motilal throughout the journey, and it has been a privilege to work alongside the management team in making this transaction a grand success. Once again, heartfelt congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words and valuable insights. Ladies and gentlemen, every successful organization is shaped by visionary leadership. It is now my honor to invite the man whose vision, dedication, and leadership have guided Lohia Corp towards becoming a globally respected engineering powerhouse. A big round of applause, everybody, for Mr. Rajkumar Lohia, Chairman and Managing Director, as I welcome him on the stage to address the gathering, talk about the journey, about the future goals.
Thank you, madam. I welcome all of my guests here, my family, my colleagues in the company. And first, I thank God. Gandhiji said, customer is God. So there are three customers, there are three gods, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. So thanks to them for coming all the way here. There are less customers, more friends, well-wishers, partners. I'm excited to be addressing you here from the podium of Asia's oldest stock exchange, set up in 1855. This has over years facilitated the entrepreneurship skills and provided a tremendous amount of strength to India's vision of industrialization. Here I would first take three names whom I consider the three landmarks as individuals in the modern India's industry and business. One was Jamshedji Tata, the second was G.T. Birla, and third was Dhirubhai Ambani. While Jamshedji Tata, and all these three are almost a generation difference in their age. Jamshedji Tata brought India what a industry can be by putting first steel plant in Asia and the top hotels, Taj in Bombay. The second was Ghanshyam Das ji, who taught how a company can be professionalized and taken way forward. And third was Dhirubhai Ambani, who is more relevant for this place, as he was the one who understood the shareholders' value and industry build-up with the strength of shareholder. I will give you a small narrative. I had a meeting in Maker 4 with one of the Reliance family members in 1987 or 88. And then the gentleman told me then that his vision or their vision is more million shareholders. I said, sir, I have heard a lot of other visions, other targets, but 4 million, you are taking shareholder as a target, number of shareholders. But that has proved so right, so right. So these, and I'm looking still that who the fourth person will emerge to get into that. There are many very near, but one. We are a Marwadi family, migrated from Rajasthan to UP in around 1840s, 50s. We don't have history. Started trading. Then my grandfather entered in manufacturing by putting up an oil mill. That time the machines were not here. He had to import them. And in 63, we went to engineering business. And there were many things which we did. We had exposure to agriculture, we had exposure to trading, we had exposure to jute, because we had a jute bag production unit also. And I realized that jute cannot fulfill the requirement of India's packing. Looked around and realized that there is an alternative product which has come up, that was woven polyolefins. So and then there was the idea of getting Lohia Corp as a company to make machinery for woven plastics. The pillars of Lohia Corp is, I would say, always our blessings of God, luck, then integrity. That is quality, fairness, and honesty. And the third is innovation. After luck, which is most important thing, it is integrity which sustains. I always jokingly say that luck is 0 and efforts are 1. Why? Because put 0 on the right, on one side of the 1, it becomes 10, and then how much luck is how many zeros. Put luck on the other side of the 0, then it's only 1. Nothing, you can't get anything anywhere. India has to, it was very important in terms of manufacturing. We were the leaders in the developing world in manufacturing. We started making aircraft, first time in a developing nation. We had a tremendous large industry. I am from Kanpur now, and I have witnessed that all the elements of manufacturing was only in one city, in my opinion, in the world. I can take more time to explain that, but I'm already exceeding my time. Our family always, I thought, is my family, of course. My family means relatives, blood family, larger family. We were always a joint family for 100 years. Then customers and employees. But today, ये 3 पाए की कुर्सी थी, उसमें चौथा पाया जुड़ रहा है, and that is shareholders from outside family. So, welcome to all the shareholders. So the family has expanded, and now it has expanded trans-India. So we are a very professional-driven company. The professionals, my definition of professional, the person who contributes to the work without having a shareholding. He is the professional, and the shareholder who is not able to contribute is not the professional. It's my vision that we can create a long-term value to shareholders and all the stakeholders, and make a company which becomes an institution one day. Many thanks to bankers, auditors, media persons, our all investors, councils, and my colleagues, my customers here. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you so much, sir. On behalf of everybody sitting here and watching us live, I would like to wish you all the very best. And with this, we move on to our next speaker. Please put your hands together as I welcome Mr. Anupam Agarwal, our Chief Financial Officer, to address the gathering. A big round of applause for him.
Good morning, everybody. Respected dignitaries from BSE, representatives of SEBI and other regulatory authorities, our anchor investors, institutional and retail shareholders, partners and colleagues. It is a privilege to address you today at Lohia Corp Limited takes its place on India's leading stock exchange. As the CFO, my perspective is naturally grounded in numbers and discipline. But beneath these numbers lies a story of resilient growth, careful capital allocation, and long-term partnerships. Lohia Corp is today counted among the leading global manufacturers of machinery and equipment for technical textiles. It has been built over years with a clear objective to serve customers with reliable, high-performance solutions and robust after-sales support. The operational backbone has translated into consistent financial performance. Our revenue from operations in financial year 26 stood at 1,700 odd crores, up from 1,370 odd crores in the previous year, reflecting healthy top-line growth. We are proud that this growth has been achieved while maintaining a sharp focus on quality, customer satisfaction, and innovation. The IPO we have just concluded had the offer size of approximately 1,100 crores, reflecting not only the scale of our business, but also the confidence that existing shareholders have placed in the capital markets as we broaden our investor base. Our transition to a widely held listed company marks an important step in our corporate evolution. The market's response to the offering has been both robust as well as balanced. Overall subscription of 7.25 times, with the KIB portion at 9.11 times, non-institutional investors at 6.82 times, retail investors at 2.77 times, and employees at 1.39 times, provides us with a diversified and high-quality shareholding pattern from the very first day of listing. The participation of marquee anchor investors who collectively invested rupees 492 crores included global names alongside leading domestic institutions and mutual funds, is an endorsement of our fundamentals, our governance framework, and growth trajectory. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our anchor investors, QIBs, non-institutional investors, retail shareholders, and employees, whose subscription created a stock book and a broad investor base. Aquarius Capital and Motilal Investments, our book-running lead managers for their judgment, market insight, and execution excellence. Our registrars, Mavji In Time India, for their rigorous processes and timely coordination. Concept, our communication partners for helping us articulate this milestone with clarity and purpose. The teams at BSE and NSE for guiding us through the listing process and for the trust implicit in today's ceremony. Our responsibilities as a listed company begin now in earnest. We are committed to maintaining high standards of financial reporting, internal controls and discipline, aligned with regulatory expectations and best practices, providing transparent, timely, and meaningful disclosures to the market so that investors can make informed decisions based on clear understanding of our business risks and opportunities, allocating resources prudently to strengthen our competitive position, enhancing our global service network, investing in R&D, and supporting capacity and capability building initiatives such as our dedicated Rafia Industry Training Academy. Our journey ahead will require the same discipline that has brought us here in how we manage costs, how we price our solutions in a competitive global environment, and how we balance growth with returns. We recognize that shareholders today look not only at earnings, but also at sustainability, governance, and long-term value creation. We intend to engage with the market proactively and to ensure that our strategy, our capital allocation, and our risk management remains aligned with these expectations. On a personal note, I would like to acknowledge the efforts of our finance, legal, secretarial, and compliance teams, as well as our colleagues from across the functions who have worked tirelessly over the past months to prepare for this IPO and listing. Their professionalism and commitment has been exemplary. Some of them are present here in person. To all our shareholders and partners, thank you for joining us on this important day. We look forward to delivering on the promise that Lohia Corp represents, a company built on engineering excellence, customer centricity, and responsible growth. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite on the stage Mr. Rudresh Kunde, Chief of Policy Research and Strategy, to share his views on this important occasion from BSE. A big round of applause for him.
Good morning, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this BSE's iconic International Convention Center. I was just telling sir just now that this is the very hall where the first outcry system started in India, the place where you're sitting. So this was an outcry hall, and the side walls are basically the viewing gallery which was there. So it's a truly iconic hall, and sir mentioned it started exchange 150 years ago. So before the electronic trading came into existence, this place was the outcry hall. On behalf of BSE, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the Lohia family, board of directors, some of whom are present here, management team, employees, merchant bankers, advisors, and every stakeholder who has contributed to this landmark achievement. As you all already know, BSE holds a special place in India's economic journey. It is one of the oldest exchange. At the same time, it is the world's largest exchange in terms of number of listed companies. Today, we host almost 5670 listed companies, and I think there are some 3 listed companies getting listed today, with a total combined market cap above $5 trillion. For over 150 years, BSE has been playing a vital role in mobilizing capital across main board, across SME platforms. We also have the benchmark index, which is the Sensex. So Sensex itself has a 40-year-old history. Today, we celebrate the addition of another remarkable company to this very own journey of ours. Story of Lohia family and Lohia Corp, as I understand from many of you here, it has decades of commitment to innovation, engineering, quality manufacturing, and global partnerships. I'm also told it also holds a lot of, I think, more than 50 trademarks, patents in India as well as abroad, and some multiple design registrations which reflect the truly Indian innovation and relentless focus on customer-centric solutions. The success of Lohia Corp is a testament to the strength of Indian entrepreneurship and manufacturing capability. Today, it marks an important transition for the Lohia company as well, Lohia Corp as well, as it moves from being a privately held enterprise to becoming a publicly listed company with thousands of investors participating in its future. Now, the IPO, it's not just a financing event or a fundraising event for the company, but it is the beginning of a long-term relationship with some of the new stakeholders. As a listed company, the responsibility extends far beyond raising capital. It will require maintaining the highest standards of transparency through accurate disclosures on the exchanges. It will also uphold strong corporate governance through independent and effective board. It will also require ensuring fair treatment of all shareholders, be the promoter, be the majority shareholders, as well as the minority shareholders. It also means engaging openly and regularly with investors, nowadays, I think all the merchant bankers, lead managers, etc., they also hold IR conferences, analyst meets, etc. So the promoters and the management, they would regularly have to interact with the analyst and all the stakeholders to communicate a clear vision at all times. Ultimately, the success of listed companies is not just raising funds, showing some listing gains on day one, but it is the long-term sustainable value creation over the years. Now, equally important, it is to recognize the benefits of listing on an exchange. It is not just restricted to fund mobilization and getting funds for the promoter or for the company. It is well beyond all this. A stock exchange listing becomes a powerful catalyst for growth and institution building. It will enhance the company's credibility, visibility among customers and other stakeholders in India as well as globally. This can be utilized effectively by the company as a marketing tool as well. Like any award, any contract which you get, it is announced on the company website as well as the exchange website. Whenever it is disseminated on the exchange website, it is like a marketing for you as well. One of the most significant changes after listing is basically not financial, but more of psychological or cultural, because now no longer the management is only responsible towards its promoters, but towards all its new shareholders, stakeholders, etc. As we celebrate this important milestone, we are delighted once again to welcome Lohia Corp to the BSE family. Once again, my sincere congratulations to the entire Lohia Corp team on this landmark achievement. Thank you and congratulations once again.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable thoughts with us. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's 9:58. The moment we all have been eagerly waiting for is here, requesting all the Lohia family members to kindly join us on the stage. We have Mr. Rudresh Kunde from BSE. May I request our book running lead managers, Gaurav Saravgi, Kavita Tanwani, to kindly join us on the stage, please. A big round of applause for Lohia Corp. We are just few minutes away from that golden moment, everybody. May I request Mr. Raj Lohia, Mr. Gaurav Lohia, and all the family members, senior family members of Lohia family. So let me tell you, everybody, shortly the countdown will begin. You all will have to join me for last 10 seconds, okay, everybody? May I request the company management as well to join? So the countdown has started. We are just 55 seconds away from that golden moment where Lohia Corp Limited will be officially getting listed on the BSE platform. Everybody excited? Yes? Can I hear from all of you? Come on, everyone, let's clap. I know you have your phones in your hand, but I think we can clap and cheer for everybody. We're just 35 seconds away. I can see a big bright smile on everyone's face, everyone excited. Everyone holding a phone in their hand, but we can make some noise. Come on, everybody. 20 seconds to go. Let's get ready, everybody. 15 seconds to go. Let's get ready for the final countdown. Everybody together. 10, louder, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Heartiest congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, now you can keep your phones down and give a big round of applause, everybody. Lohia Corp Limited is now officially listed on the stock market. Congratulations. We will continue with the photo session later. For now, I think everybody should settle down. Congratulations once again. बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this gong represents years of determination, countless hours of hard work, the unwavering faith of employees, and the confidence of investors, and the future filled with limitless possibilities. Heartiest congratulations. Come on, everybody, make some noise for Lohia Corp Limited. What a beautiful moment. Okay, everyone, settle down quickly. We have to present the mementos now. Let's continue with the memento presentation. I can understand the happiness, the excitement, the urge to celebrate this moment. But the live cameras are on, so can we please settle down quickly? Come on, everyone. Okay, we are good to go ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to move ahead. We will now present a special listing memento to the company promoter. May I request our BSE chief to kindly join us on the stage to present the same. May I request Mr. Rudresh Kunde to join us on the stage to present this special memento to Lohia Corp. May I request Mr. Gaurav to please join us on the stage. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, this specially crafted memento symbolizes a company's successful entry into India's oldest and Asia's most respected stock exchange. Congratulations. I will request Rudresh sir to stay back with us. Behind every successful public issue stands a dedicated team of advisors whose expertise transform vision into reality. It's time to honor our book running lead managers for the hard work, for the support, for the sleepless nights. I request on the Gaurav Saravgi, Managing Director of Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited, to join us on the stage, along with his team. Thank you. Congratulations. Next, I would like to invite on the stage Ms. Kavita Tanwani, Head of ECM Execution, Equirus Capital Limited. A big round of applause for her. Requesting, if the team is present, they can join us. Some of you can stand on the other side. Thank you. Requesting Rudresh sir to stay back with us. Gratitude strengthens every successful partnership. And Lohia Corp would now like to express its sincere appreciation to BSE and the partner for their support. First, I will request Mr. Gaurav Lohia to join us on the stage to present these special mementos, starting with BSE. Can we have a big round of applause, everyone? Next, I would like to invite on the stage Mr. Gaurav Saravgi, Managing Director, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited, along with his team. They are the book running lead managers. Without them, this would have not been possible, so they deserve a big round of applause, everybody. Come on. Congratulations. Time to invite another book running lead manager, Ms. Kavita Tanwani, Head of ECM Execution, Equirus Capital Limited. Big round of applause for the team, everybody. So we are almost towards the climax of this event, and this is the most important segment because they have done really a lot of hard work. So come on, everyone, appreciation is required. They need to be given applause. May I request our legal counsel, Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas, to join us on the stage. We have a representative. A big round of applause, everybody. Next, I will request the legal counsels to join us on the stage, SNR Associates. Can we give them a big round of applause, everybody? Come on. Do we have any representative of Hogan Lovells, international lawyer? Any representative? Okay, let's move on to the next one. May I request our auditor, Walker Chandyak, to kindly join us on the stage. Congratulations. Next, may I request Anil Parekh and Garg, our auditors, to kindly join us on the stage. I can't hear the claps. Come on, everyone. May I request Team Concept Communication, our agency, to join us on the stage, please? Team Concept Communication, a big round of applause for the agency, everybody. Congratulations. Next, I would like to request the registrar to the issue, MEFG in Time India Private Limited, to join us on the stage. Next, may I request Mr. Girish Vanwari from Transition Square to kindly join us on the stage. Thank you, Mr. Lohia. You may now take your seat. And with this, ladies and gentlemen, we approach the most anticipated moment of today's celebration. To present the vote of thanks, I would like to invite on the stage Ms. Kavita Tanwani, Head of ECM Execution, Equirus Capital Limited. A big round of applause for her.
Good morning, everyone present here. On behalf of Equirus Capital, it gives me great pleasure to propose this vote of thanks. For Equirus, it's been an honor to partner with Lohia Corp in this important journey. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the management for placing trust in us and giving us this opportunity to contribute to the most important milestone in their lives. Today, we are not only celebrating the listing of the company, we are here to celebrate the entrepreneurial journey, a journey which has a history of over 4 decades. I would like to extend heartiest congratulations to the Lohia family, to their management, to their board. It's because of your vision, your resilience, and your commitment that has transformed an entrepreneurial dream into an organization of this stature, which has made significant contribution not only to Indian enterprise, but also on a global map. Equally important in this achievement are all the employees of Lohia Corp Limited. A big shout out to the entire team of Lohia Corp. You are the beating heart of this global enterprise. I would also like to acknowledge the regulators, Securities and Exchange Board of India, the stock exchanges, BSE and NSE, for their continued guidance and support for this transaction. A special thanks to BSE Limited for giving us this platform and making this a memorable event for all of us. This journey is a long journey which could not be complete without all the partners and stakeholders. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to our fellow BRLMs, Motilal Oswal, to the legal counsel, Cyril Amarchand, SNR, HLL, to the joint auditors, GT, Anil Parekh and Garg, to the transaction advisors, to the registrars, ad agencies, printers, and all those people who've worked tirelessly to make this journey a successful journey. I think it's with their expertise and collaborative effort we are here today. A special thanks to our investor community for showing their trust and confidence in the company, in the management, and its growth story. And lastly, thanks to this wonderful audience for your energy that has lit this room. I think your presence have truly made this event complete. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And with this, ladies and gentlemen, we conclude our formal listing ceremony here. You may now join us for the photos, videos on the stage. And please join us for the refreshments. You can take the exit from my left and your right. With this, Anchor Mayuri Malankar signing off. Thank you so much for being a part of this celebration. Once again, let's give a big round of applause to the entire Lohia Corp family. Come on, everybody.